Okay, so it is time for my Imgur Secret Santa for 2017. And this box came in from Switzerland this time around. He reached out to me and let me know when he put it in the post, so I know who it is. So it says on the box, Imgur Secret Santa, maybe. Maybe it's a box of bears or wasps, maybe even bear wasps. So already I'm digging it. He told me how to open it, so it says cut along the tape, faster this way. So he told me where 2 tabs were and no tab for that, so I can cut into it. So a huge shout out to Clayman 8 on Imgur for this. I have been looking forward to this all day. So thank you so much. Let's get in. Cut along. No tab there. Oh wow, okay. And I just noticed this. I don't know what that is, but it is definitely spray painted on there. So I don't know if he put that on there or not, but we'll find out. Interesting. And then cut along that last tab. Freedom. Let's find out, shall we? Oh, it's really well packed. Oh, even better. So it says, hope you have a cat or dog or snake or whatever, so they also get a box to play in, from Clayman. So that was very kind. I don't have any of those types of pets. I don't have any pets. However, I do appreciate the thought. So right off the bat, there is a note for me. And it says, read now, item description, or later, present surprise. So it's a choose your own adventure. Already amazing. I am going to open it later because I like to find out what each item is per item. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. And right here it says paper stuff to do with to do stuff with paper. Okay, that's pretty neat. So we'll lay this out really fast. And then to complement item A and B. So there's letters. Okay, so this one is D. This one is C. Let's find out here. Oh, nice. That's so awesome because I was actually looking at slippers recently to buy some, and I'm so glad that I did not. So let's put that there. Item, oh, I think this is a mug. Let's see. Enjoy breakfast? Who doesn't? Item A. So let's lay that out. E. So it says, okay, something actually useful this time. Nice, I'm digging this so far. Aha, item B. Top of the morning. I got a feeling I might know what this is. So let's see here, let's put them in order. And then definitely not bees. Shake before opening violently. Okay, it's not bees, or is it? So something made a sound in there. F. So let's get started into these. So anything else? No? Okay, I think we're clear on the boxes. It would have been cool to have a snake to enjoy this box, right? All right. Okay, so I have opened up my package and I now have rearranged all of them from A to F. So that way we can open each one individually and find out what we got. So first thing in order, A. Item A, enjoy breakfast. Who doesn't? I didn't actually say that in the right version, but okay. So, woohoo! Oh, even better. That is so cool. Oh, I love it. It's super cute. Oh, it's so simple. I love it. Okay, so that's item A. Put that back there. Now time for item B. in the box. Top of the morning. So I'm getting a feeling this is probably gonna be like tea or something like that, but we will see. Oh, oh. Ovomaltine? Ovomaltine. Swiss. I know that. What does it doesn't have it. It doesn't have it in English, I don't think. But I can only assume it's some sort of breakfast drink. So thank you, Clayman8, because this is going to be really interesting to try. And I will try and film that too as well. There's item B. And then item C, to complement item A and B. Let's see here. Whoa. Swiss chocolates. My favorite. That's really cool. I'm always down for European chocolate. It's one of my favorite, or no, it is really my favorite type of chocolate is European chocolate for sure. So awesome. And then item D says paper stuff, to do stuff with paper. So let's move that aside. Oh dear, how am I? Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Oh! It's Pusheen stuff! Pusheen stickers. And it says, special print just for you. Perfect. Oh, I don't want to rip it. Okay. Okay. Cool. Whoa. Popped a little Pusheen. Okay. Let's see if I can get this out here. Oh, it's got more to it. It's got more to it. Oh, that's so cool. He has props, cosplay, art, and tattoo design. Well, thank you very much. Definitely doing a shout out for that. Here, let's see, anything else? Okay, so it says, I'm dependent on coffee with the grizzly weather. For real. It's unbearable. Impossible even. That's awesome. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, that is a handmade art piece just for me. Oh, that's so going on the wall. That is so cool. Thank you so much, Clayman8. That is so awesome. So, Pusheen stationery. And an embossed business card of his, which huge shout out for. That is for sure. All right, on to the next item. E. Okay, something actually useful this time. Although, I will say the mug and the foodstuffs definitely useful, especially in cold weather. Let's see here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stuff's coming out. Oh! All right. Moleskin plain notebook. Whoopsie daisy. A pen. Of course, giraffe themed. And, oh! Ink cartridges for said pen. Look at that. That is super nifty. Especially for my job. That's perfect. Thank you. There you go, little notebook set with a cool pen to go. All right, almost at the end. definitely not bees. Shake before opening violently. Letter F. So shake. All right, time to open it. After it has been shaken violently. What? What is this? No. Oh, that's so cool. It's a DIY kit to make your own panda. Oh my gosh. That is super nifty. No waste, 100% recycled textiles. That is amazing. It is a panda DIY hook kit. I don't know if it's gonna come out like that, but I will certainly try to make it come out like that. So thank you. And then of course we got our lovely slippers, which I'm definitely gonna start using like tonight because I definitely need new slippers. And let's go ahead and open up the item description, or well, I guess, yeah, no, later. So present surprise. So yeah, I did the present surprise already. So awesome panda, by the way. I'm glad that my name resonates with me. I may or may not have put that in my description as well, that I love pandas, but I'm pretty sure it was obvious from my description. So it says, hi PandAnomoly, hold up and let me switch to pen. So we went from pencil to pen. Yes, much better. Anyhow, so I see you got your Xmas package. Good. If you got it. If you're not Lynn, then boo on you for looting this. Shameful. If this is Lynn, then enjoy the contents of the special loot crate with cost-free pride and accomplishment. Here's a small breakdown of what to expect. Combine these. A teacup mug container thing. B, Swiss cocoa, works both hot and cold. C, Swiss chocolate, that's right. D, stationery thingies to make everything pretty. E, ink pen and a pocketbook. F, not bees, I swear, you'll see. And some warm foot gloves with the crest of my hometown of Geneva. I hope they fit. Stay warm, best wishes on this coming new year. Much success in your endeavors and extended wishes to your family too. Merry Christmas, Clayman. Signed off on 2017. So, awesome handwriting too. Definitely one of an artist. I love it. All right, so that's all the contents in my box. I absolutely love this year's gift. It's amazing. Thank you so much once again to Clayman 8, and I will shout out your stuff for sure because I think that's awesome. I used to cosplay a long time ago, so I totally know the feels about making stuff. And I am just so excited to dig into all of this afterwards. So thank you so much. I absolutely love the hand-drawn card and everything else that you got me. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. And thanks so much. All right, this is a moment of truth. Let's see if these fit. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Good stuff. Good stuff. Happy Christmas.